In this video, I will show you how to build your website using Hostinger Website Builder. Go to Website Builder, then click on Hostinger Website Builder. Scroll down a little bit. As you can see, Hostinger offers two website builder plans, the premium and the business. Both plans gives you the free domain, free email, drag and drop editor, 150 templates, marketing integrations, mobile editing, and a money back guarantee and customer support. Features that are only available in the business plan are these AI tools, which are essentials for your blog work. Since these AI tools are only available with the business, so I recommend you to go with the business plan. Click on choose plan. In this step, you need to select how much you want your first subscription to be. You can go with 1 year, 2 years, or 4 years. With the 4 years, you get 3 months for free. And also, the renewal price is a little bit cheaper compared to 2 years or just 1 year. After that, fill in your email address and password to create your account. In this payment step, you can fill in your personal information, but since they are optional, you can skip them. Now verify that the total amount you will pay is correct. Then fill in your credit card information. After that, click on Submit Secure Payment. If you want to pay with PayPal, you can select it from here. Then click on this button, Submit Secure Payment. After completing your payment, you will be redirected again to your Hostinger account. From the top of the homepage of your account, click on Websites, then click on Add Website. Select Hostinger Website Builder. We are now in Hostinger Website Builder. To start creating your blog, click on Start Creating. Select your website type. In our case, we will go with blog. Give your blog a name, for example, Ben's Adventures. And for the description, all you need to do is to describe your blog topic like you are describing it for a web designer or a web developer. For example, you can say, create me a hiking blog. For the home page, I want it to start with the ebook download form, latest posts, about me, and a contact me section. My target audience is the US. For your description, you can either write it with your keyboard or use your Mac to describe it. For the microphone, it only works with English. This is my description. As you can see, my description is great. You can also see an example of a description to get inspiration. Under personalization settings, you can select your colors. You can, if your brand already have a color code need to follow, you can either select it here from here manually or select from these colors. I will go with surprise me. Now hit create a website. And this is the result I got using my prompt. It is not exactly how I describe it, but it is close enough to start with. With some small editing, it will be exactly how I want it. I am now inside my Hostinger website builder. In order to edit your website header, first click on the header section, then go to edit header. As you can see, you can play with many settings like the link spacing between navigation. You can also edit the top and bottom spacing. I want to keep it like that. You can also edit the placement of your header elements. I want the logo to be centered like that. You can make your header sticky or not sticky. From the Elements tab, you can show or hide some elements like the logo, the social icons, and also this button. And from the logo tab, you can replace your website logo. You can select it from your computer. and also adjust your logo width. From the Style tab, you can edit the style of many elements like the header, the button, or the social icons. Let's edit the style of the header. You can make your header transparent. You can also change the text font of your header. For example, I can make it bold, or the header text color. As you can see, now the navigation text is changed to blue. I want to keep it black. You can also edit the style of this button. Just select it from this list. You can edit the text button to newsletter, for example. You can link it to a page. I will link it once I created the newsletter page. You can also link it to our email address, phone number, or file download. You can edit the fill color. For example, I want it to be orange, just like that. For the text size, I want to make it a little bit bigger. And for the text color, I want it to be black, just like that. You can also play with the border width and also the radius. When you select the social icons from this list, you can edit the placement or the order of the social icons. You can also edit your social links. You can also delete some if you don't have them. And you can edit the social icons size or the icons color. Adding a sticky bar to your website is easy. First, just hover over this header section, then click on Add Sticky Bar. Double click this text, then fill in your text. For example, subscribe to our newsletter for the latest tips, tutorials, and exclusive offers. Join now. To make this join now text clickable, you can copy, for example, you can copy any link, copy it, select the text, go to edit on your browser and hit paste. As you can see now, let's preview this one. For example, we are now in the preview mode. This text is not clickable, but this is a link. Now go back to the editor and make it bold. As you can see, my header and also the sticky bar are sticking. So I want only the sticky bar to be sticking. To do that, go back to the editor, click on the header section, then edit header, and uncheck or disable the make header sticky. Hit save, then preview. Now only the top sticky bar is sticky. Now let's see how to edit your website homepage. Let's say we want to edit this background photo. Just click on this section, then go to edit section. For the background, you can select between a video, an image, or a color. I will go with an image. Click on replace. You can use your already uploaded media from my library, or you can use AI to generate a new image for you, or go with free images from the Unsplash service. Let's say I want to go with this photo, add to page. Here you can edit the overlay opacity and choose a fixed background. Always hit save to not lose your editing. For the text, you can place it wherever you want, or same thing with the button. Let's say to edit the size of this photo, you can make it bigger, just like that. To edit the text, just to double click the text, and you can link to a page from your blog or your website. You can also edit this button to send people to a specific section of a page, or you can select them to email you. Now I want to edit the style to make the text size bigger. You can play with the color, text color or the fill color. For the fill color, I want it to be orange. Let's scroll down a little bit. As you can see, this section is the latest blog posts. What I want to do is to use 3 columns instead of just 2. Now my next blog post will be showing here. I want to hide this preview text. To do that, click on edit blog list, go to style. As you can see, I can hide the featured image, title. For the description, I don't like it. Publishing date, I also will hide it. You can edit the text size. What this section or the latest post section lacks is a big title, something like latest post. In order to do that, click on add elements to, then select text. As you can see, I can't add a text element here. So what I will do is to add a new section, select blank section, then move it up, resize the section height, then add the text section in our new blank section. Now double click the text, latest posts, and this is how to make your websites more readable. Let's say we are not interested with this section, we can select it, then hit delete. This is a good section to start with. What I want to do is to make it a contact me section. In order to do that, I will edit the text first, contact me, connect with me using this form. Then I will delete these elements. I can keep my email. This download field, I want to name it first name. Click on the form first, then edit form. And from the fields tab, you can open the download and give your field label a new name. For example, I want to first name. Enter your name. For the adventure, I want it to be your email. So I will open adventures. I will call it your email address. And for the stars, I will call it your message. For the name field, I want it to be required. And for the button, I want it to say send your message. And this is what will after sub. Now close this window. As you can see, all the fields are required. Let's see how to edit your website footer. This is the footer of your website. I will first edit my blog name. Then I can to edit your social icons links, just click on edit social icons. Then from here you can either edit your social links or delete a platform, for example. You can also play with the icon size and also the layout. To edit the footer background color, click on edit section, then select color, and from this little color icon you can go with your preferred. I want it to be gray, for example. I want to delete this text. What I want to do is to add links to legal pages. What I want to do is to add elements here. First, select your heading because this is just a paragraph. Go with paragraph 1. For example, terms and conditions. Make it the color I want it to be white. Place it first, then duplicate it. Privacy policy. This is my 2 legal pages, and this is how to edit your website footer. Adding legal pages in Hostinger website builder is easy. First, you need to go to pages and navigation. Then click on add page. Scroll down to privacy policy. Click on it. Fill in your company name, for example, Ben's Adventures LLC. Your website name and email address are already filled for you. Click on add page. As you can see, this is your privacy policy text already made for you. Click on save to not lose your changes. Same thing with the terms and conditions page. Fill in your company name, Adventures LLC, website address. You can edit your website address from here. Adventures.com. This is my email. Add page. Now click first on update your website. Now that these 2 pages are published, go back to your footer, then select your legal pages text in order to link them. This is for terms and conditions. First select page, then look for the terms and condition page. Hit save. As you can see, now it is turned to a link. Same thing with the privacy policy. And now update your website. Let's preview it live. And now links to my legal pages are added to the footer. Your legal pages are automatically added to your navigation. In order to remove them from the navigation, it's simple. Go back to your website editor, click on pages and navigations, then select the pages you want to hide from the navigation and drop them in this hidden from navigation. As you can see, they are not showing anymore in the navigation. Always update your website. Adding a favicon to your website built using Hostinger Website Builder is easy. First, go to Website Settings, click on General Settings, and as you can see, you can upload it from your computer. If you don't have one, a little trick to create easy favicons is this website. It's called favicon.io. Click on Generator from the top. Since my website is called Ben's Adventures, I will go with just the letter B. You can select your favicon icon from here. I will go with black and white, or instead white and black. I like this. As you can see, you can preview it directly on your browser, then click on download. It is downloaded in a zip file. I will decompress it first, then go back to your website editor and click on add image. Upload files, then select it from your computer and hit open. Now it is downloaded to your media library. Select it and hit save. Always update your website. Let's check my website, refresh, and as you can see, my favicon is added successfully to my website. If Google Analytics gives you numbers, Hotjar gives you numbers and also video recordings of what your blog's visitors do while browsing your blog. This is one of my Hotjar account linked with one of my blogs. As you can see, the majority of my website visitors are coming from European countries or French speaking countries. Yesterday was 12th of July. My Hotjar account recorded me all of these sessions, as you can see, and more. I can see the dates, the original country, the session durations, and also the devices and the landing page. This is a good session to review. As you can see, it is like a YouTube video. You have a video player bar, a play and pause buttons. So let's play this session. This is the video or the visitor mouse icon. I think now he will scroll. He started scrolling. Every pause means that the visitor is reading something. If your blog visitors scroll over something, this means that he's not interested with this section. So you can remove it if you want. Let's jump this to this part. This is my affiliate buttons to Amazon. Let's review another recording. As you can see, this is the trajectory of the blog or the blog visitor mouse. He is now reading this table. I think in this area of the video he clicked on this link and now another browser tab was opened. Then he returned to my site. I think he is reading this table. And that's all. For the session information, you can see them from this corner. As you can see, it is coming from desktop using Safari browser on a Macintosh computer. For the referral, it was coming from google.com. Now let's see how to do the exact thing with your blog on Hostinger Website Builder. First, click on these little three dots or website settings. Then click on integrations. Next to Hotjar, click on connect. Now you need to fill in your Hotjar site ID. To have one, you need to create an account with Hotjar. To visit Hotjar website, you can use my affiliate link, which is bensexperience.com/Hotjar. Using this link will definitely support me to create more content like this. So thank you. And if you need any help with Hotjar or Hostinger website builder, feel free to reach me out at ben@bensexperience.com and I will help you with your blog. Click on get started from the top. You can sign up using your Google account or manually. Click on accept the terms and hit get started. Now check your email for this code. This is the code you need to copy, then paste. What's your organization name? Now fill in your exact website. Click on next. As you can see, you have a 15-day free trial. After that, you can choose between paying or staying to the free version of Hotjar. Got it? This is your site ID. Go back to Hostinger Website Builder and paste your site ID and hit save. Now every visit session will be recorded as we've just seen with my personal account. Adding a new post to your blog in HostSinger Website Builder is easy. First, go to Website Settings, then click on Blog and hit the Add New Post button. You can go with writing it using AI or write it yourself. I will go with AI. Select the tone of voice. I will go with casual. For the length of your content, you can go between 500, 1000 and 2000. I will go with 500. Describe your blog post, for example, what to bring on a hike. I can be more descriptive. 10 or 10 hiking essentials, what to bring on a hike. Click on create content. This is a good photo. Introduction to hiking essentials, navigation tools, proper footwear, weather appropriate clothing, hydration and nutrition, first aid kit, sun protection, multi-tool or knife, fire starting tools, emergency shelter, and the conclusion. As you can see, the quality is high, or it is enough to start with. You can read, for example, this paragraph and develop it more. Don't forget that the status is in draft. In order to make it public, just click on draft. Now click on update website and let's view my blog post. Let's check it from the home page. As I've said in the beginning of this video, my latest blog post will be added in this grid. And this is my blog post live on Hostinger Website Builder. I forgot to show you how to categorize your blog posts. You can either do it from post settings, go to categories, click on select categories and add a new one. I can select, then click on this check. As you can see, now I created this new category and it is automatically added for this blog post. Hit update website. Adding a new page in Hostinger Website Builder is easy. First, go to Pages and Navigation. Click on Add Page. You can generate it using AI or build it from scratch. I will go with build it from scratch. This is the header and this is the footer. Click on Add Section. Add a blank section. I edited my form in MailChimp. So I will go with continue, copy the form code, go back to Hostinger Website Builder. Now I need to add an embed code element. Paste my code here and hit embed code. Now my MailChimp form will show up. After that, I need a big title, for example, sign up here to get newsletter. Click on add an element. My new page is automatically added to my navigation with this new empty page title. First, I need to edit this text to something like newsletter, more descriptive. To do that, go to Pages and Navigation. This is my page. Rename it newsletter. This is the page URL. Click on Save. Now hit Update Website. Now what I want to do is to add an image or a descriptive image for something related to hiking, for example. Click on Add Element, or I can make the background of this section with something related to adventures. Select the section first, then click on Edit Section, select Image, and click on Add Image. Go to Free Images. This is a good photo. Click on Add Image. Make the overlay opacity a little darker, or instead of the overlay opacity on the image, let's select this text, the text color a little bit whiter or brighter, and the same thing with this color. Now hit update website. Let's view my site live. Go to newsletter. This is my newsletter page. Now what I need to do is to copy this newsletter page URL and add it to this new join now and this new letter button. To do that, go back to your website editor, go to the top or the sticky bar, select the text and hit paste. To edit this button URL, click on the header, edit header, go to style, select button, make sure you are selecting page, then select the page. This is my newsletter page, and close this window. Same thing with the home page, this big button. Click on the button first, edit button, then select link to a page, and this is a page. This is my page, and close this window and make sure to update your website. Now let's click on join now. Link is correct. Same thing with the newsletter button. Let's test this. As you can see, every link to the newsletter is working as it should be. If you want to optimize your blog SEO in order to start getting traffic from search engines like Google and Bing or Yahoo, first we will check the Hostinger SEO settings to better understand how it works. As you can see, we can only optimize our pages or product pages. If you have an online store, you will see your products listed here and you can work on them using these features or tools. Since my blog does not have a product or a shop, I will go with SEO optimizing my pages. As you can see, I can't target a keyword using my privacy policy, contact or terms and conditions pages. As you can see, the blog articles are not available here to optimize. So what we should do is to create pages dedicated to our target keywords. I am now inside Ubersuggest, which is a keyword research tool, and I will start my research with something like best hiking. The language is English and the location is US. Now looking for an easy keyword with some traffic. As you can see from these columns have lots of traffic, but at the same time they are not easy to rank for. So what I will do is to first select easy as my SEO difficulty to only see easy keywords. From my experience, when I see a volume of more than 1000 for a keyword, I know that it is not easy to rank, especially that our blog is still new. So what we need to do is to modify the volume to under 1000 volume. Now what I'm looking for is product keyword. Best hiking gloves. Let's look on Google what appears. Outdoor Life is a known old blog. Same thing with Outdoor Gear Lab, RIE. So we will not rank for this keyword. What I recommend you to do is to look for long tail keywords. By long tails, I mean long phrases. I think this is a good keyword. Best hiking jackets for cold weather. I will look in Google. I will search for the word hiking weather to see where it appears. As you can see, the first results does not talk about the cold weather jackets. The Reddit is already targeting this keyword. This article from Outdoor Life only mentioned the keyword inside the articles and not targeting it in the title. Dick's Sporting Goods, they are optimized for this keyword. I think there are not lots of articles in the first page of Google targeting best hiking jackets for Google for cold weather. So I will go with this keyword. I think I will go with the blank page or an empty page. Then I will add my elements myself. I will put here the title, which is best hiking jackets. Make it bigger. Click on edit text. The heading should be H1 in order to be optimized for SEO. I want this text to be centered. Then my blog posts. Let's go to Amazon.com. Look for best hiking jacket for cold weather. This is the 3 or the 4 products I will promote. Instead of reading all these ratings in order to get helpful information about this product, I have a Chrome extension that will extract these reviews for me. Then I will use ChatGPT to create a product review based on these reviews. This is the Chrome extension I will use to extract Amazon reviews. Now go back to the Amazon product page and click on download 100 review. This is the reviews I will use. Copy them. Then go back to GPT. Paste your reviews and write, please write me a product review based on the reviews above. As you can see, I got an overview, key features, user experiences, which is good for SEO. Google nowadays love user experiences, pros and cons, and a conclusion. First, I will copy this text, go back to Hostinger, then paste it just like that. Move the pros and cons to the top. Make this wider. Don't forget to use a photo. Before the photo, for the photo, I will get it from Amazon. Replace image, upload file, and this is my photo. Select it, and it is updated. Then resize it from this corner. Click on edit text, double click the text, and give this title or this product a heading 2, because our blog post title had the H1, the second title should be H2. Hiking jacket, make it longer and a little bit smaller. Now place this here, then this center. As you can see, now we have our first product review. Repeat the same with the second product, then the third product. I need to edit this page. Click on edit page. I forgot my video. Hi. I will use AI from this place. I will use AI to create a unique image for example, or I will go, since I don't want to lose my free credits, I will go with the free images using Unsplash service. I will go with hiking jacket. This is a good photo. Of course, I still need to add buttons and affiliate links to these products. I think that's enough for this section of the video. If you want me to do more, to talk more about SEO, especially for Hostinger website builder, let me know in the comments below and I will do a full dedicated video just for Hostinger builder SEO. Now I will go back to website settings, then SEO settings, and I will find this is my page. I think I should give it something to differentiate. I will go to pages. This page I will give it a name. I don't know how to give it a name. Make homepage, rename. Best hiking jacket for cold weather. Hit save. To hide it from this website menu, I will move it down to hidden from navigation. Now what I need to do is to go back to SEO settings. This is my page. To optimize your page, it's simple. You need to give it a title. I've already done that. For the meta description, which is shown right here in Google, for example, it is not set yet, and the keywords. So I will click on generate new SEO info using AI. Describe what your page. I think that's enough. Next step. Select 3 keywords. Weather. Next. As you can see, description or meta description contains my targeted keyword, which is best hiking jacket for cold weather. Click on finish. After that, you can hide this page from search results, which I will not do. Focus keyword. I will go with best hiking jacket. Should include a focus keyword, best hiking jacket. I don't know. Best hiking jackets. I think this. I don't know why it should be green. To check that, I think this S is. As you can see now, my article shows for a green check for SEO. Now, what I need to do is to close this window. The last thing to optimize this page for SEO is to give it an internal backlink. Or I will go to blogging, go to this post. What I'm looking is a place to include my link. Best hiking jackets makes sense. Invest in a good quality waterproof jacket and pants. What I will invest in a good jacket for rain. What I'm trying to avoid is to not have a backlinks with the exact match keyword in order to not look suspicious for Google. So I will use this phrase, good jacket for rain, which is similar or close to our targeted keyword. Now I will go to link. I want to link to a page. Then select your page from this list. This is my page, best hiking jacket for cold weather. Hit save. Now update your website. Let's view my site. Go to blog. Click on my latest blog post. Now I have a link or a backlink linking to my SEO optimized page. And that's how to optimize your a page in Hostinger website builder for SEO. If you want to monitor your blog's performance in Google search results with something like this, for example, seeing the queries that are sending you traffic to your blog, also the most visited page from Google, or the countries that your most visitors are coming from. You need to use something called Google Search Console. It is a free tool from Google. All you need to do is to connect it with your HostSinger Builder website. To create your Google Search Console account, first look for Google Search Console, then hit the first result. Click on Start Now, add a new property, select URL prefix. Now fill in your domain name. I will copy it directly from the browser. It is important to go with URL prefix and not domain in order to have an easy verification method. Instead of verifying with uploading an HTML file, we will use HTML tag. Now click on Copy, head back to HostSinger Builder, click on Website Settings, then Integrations. Under Custom Code, paste your code and hit Save. As you can see, my modifications are saved. Now it is important to click on Update Website for this code to go live and hit Verify under HTML tag. After the first failed attempts, I only waited a minute and I tried to verify again, and my ownership are verified successfully. Now go to Property, and as you can see, this is your new Google Search Console platform. A small little thing that you need to do in order to make your website indexation faster is to add your blog sitemap to Google Search Console. For HostSinger Website Builder, it's simply your website domain name / sitemap.xml. Hit save, and this is your sitemap. Go back, or you can fill it manually. Sitemap.xml. Click on Submit. Your sitemap submitted successfully. Now, any new page on your blog, it will be automatically sent for Google Search Console to index it quickly. To see your performance, just click on this Performance tab, and you will start seeing your blog data just like this one, with queries that are sending traffic to your site, pages that are visited, and also countries. And this is how to build your website using HostSinger Website Builder. Don't forget to give this video a like.